Dear listeners, now we shall try to understand the rhyme scheme in a poem. What is a rhyme scheme? Rhyme scheme is a poet's deliberate pattern of lines that rhyme with other lines in a poem or a stanza. The rhyme scheme or a pattern can be identified by giving end words that rhyme with each other, the same letter. What does it all mean? What is a rhyme actually? Rhyme word means similar sound, sounds which are identical. For example, sun, bun, like, mic, roar, bore, etc. Rhyme scheme is a pattern of rhyming words at the end of each line in the stanza of a poem or a song. It is the repetition of similar sounds at the end of a word. Now we will understand the rhyme scheme with the help of an example. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. We all have heard this poem. It was written by Jane Taylor in 1806. Now see, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now see the last word of every line. Star, are, high, sky. Again star, are. Now star and are, they are rhyming words. They are rhyming with each other. They produce similar sound, are. So is the case with next pair, high and sky. Now look at the last word of every line. The first line ends with the word star. We will give the name A to this sound R. All the words that would rhyme with star will be given the same name A. So star and R are A. Now see the third line's last word, high. R and high, they are not rhyming words. So we have given this next sound a new name, B. Now all the words which would and with the same sound will be given the same name. High, sky, they sound similar, so we have given them name B. Now again, star and R, they both are similar, that's why they are AA. So the rhyme scheme of the following stanza would be star, R, high, sky, A, A, B, B. Let's try to understand with the next example. Now look at these lines very carefully. See the last word of every line, side, all, there, fall. Now side, we have given the name A. Now side and all, they are not rhyming with each other. So all is a different word. We have given it a new name B. Now match this words all and its sound with the next word sound. All, there. No, they are not rhyming either. So there is a different word. We have given it a next name C. There and fall. Again, they are not rhyming. But all and fall, they are rhyming. So we will give it the same name as we have given to word all, B. So the rhyme scheme will be AB, CB. I hope it is clear. If it is not, never mind. Let's take another example. Now see this stanza. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece as white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Now look at the last word, lamb. Then last word of next line, snow. Lamb and snow not rhyming, so they have been given different names, A and B. Went again is not rhyming with any of the two, so it has been given name C. The last word of the last line is go. But see, snow and go, they are rhyming, so we have given it name same B. So the rhyme scheme will be AB, CB. Mind it, every poem is not bound to have a rhyme scheme. It depends all on the poet's desire. Rhyme scheme is poet's strategy, his device, his method to make his poem look and sound more beautiful. So it all depends on the poet himself. There are many poems which do not have any rhyme scheme. No word of their lines rhyme with each other. These poems are called free verse.